Enhancing your front porch with classic nature-inspired elements can evoke a profound sense of spirituality, a timeless connection to the earth, and enduring reverence to the natural world. Clear any existing decor or clutter from your front door area to create a clean slate. Decide on a color palette and theme that aligns with the fall season. To infuse your front porch with the spirit of fall, hang a wreath at eye level on your front door, ensuring it's centered and securely fastened. Select a wreath adorned with meaningful elements. Extend your porch's warm invitation by placing a fall-themed doormat with welcoming designs or messages at the base of your front door. Enhance your front porch by placing potted fall plants in decorative planters or elegant urns on both sides of your door. Place a mix of small, medium, and large pumpkins around the base of your potted plants, crafting a multi-dimensional and inviting showcase. To add a warm and welcoming ambiance, place lantern-style candle holders on your front porch steps or porch near the entrance. Incorporate symbols of protection near the entrance. Add statues such as the green man, lions, dogs, owls, or foxes. Place wind chimes on your porch, allowing their sounds to create a sense of harmony and serenity. Hang fall-themed banners or garlands above the front door, framing the entrance and adding a decorative touch. If you have seating on your porch, add fall-themed cushions or throws in warm fall colors for extra comfort and style. Hang artwork or signs with fall themes on porch walls, near the door, or on the door itself. Consider a wreath, flower planters, and lanterns if you cannot do all 12 steps and want to focus on the most basic items. By following this guide and incorporating symbolic meanings, you'll create a fall front porch that not only celebrates the season, but also foster a sense of connection, positivity, and harmony in your outdoor space. Thank you for watching.